What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and to another day trade recap. Hopefully, you guys are liking these recaps in these days and sharing with your friends. But if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe for more content to come and to follow my journey in this crazy market. So today essentially it's gonna be a green day. We are going to focus on the realized intraday. I'm swinging Twitter and we'll go into the Twitter trade later on and what is my plan for the moment. But other than that, let's go into the recaps and let's see what happened today. So the first trade today was in OXY. Sorry. The OXY was gapping up like the sell-off at the open. This indecision candle tried to long the 63 60 63.70 essentially for the break. I was a bit late on this one, to be honest. I was a bit late, got pressed the button too late, before I got 63.87 as a fill, so almost on the top of this green candle. Profit target would have still been something like 64.50, 64.60, something like that. Wanted to keep the stop loss at 63.06, but got involved in other charts, in other trades, unfortunately, and this was the error of the day. I didn't place the hard stop, so I got in this flashed. When I saw this flashed, I closed the trade, but I was already at 62. 73, so essentially losing more on this trade, essentially losing more than what I really wanted to. The second trade was in AMD. AMD, I liked this formation here. I like the how this consolidation was happening. Decided to short the 96.5 area and I was in a bit of pain as well since the stock was running up and down. So I mean I did open the trade at 9:36. So really on this candle, my stop was at 97 dollars. Took the first partial at 96, took another partial at 95.50ish, just below it, and really then started to trail my stop. When we did this, when we put back towards the 20 simple moving average and we got rejected again, I decided to move my stop at 95.50. Probably in that point was not really a good goal. I could have moved just to the break even point, as we had another leg, and this is something that I uh, I need to still to figure out, to be honest. Trailing my stop loss for a better profits, I would say, for run more. But at the moment, that's what it is. Made in IMD just over $64. Another trade was in NIO. Market today, if you have followed the SPY, has been going down. Market has been crashing since the opening, and we are essentially going down since 1.5 hours. So the other another trade was in Twitter. Twitter shorted the 1649. The stop really, um, I mean, the stop really, it's not really a technical stop per se, but I wanted to keep a tight stop on this play, considering the fact that we were already extended at that time to the downside. So risking 10 cents took the 75% of my position at 10 cents target. Took something else off on the 1640 when I saw that there was a consolidation, and honestly I was at that point I was also expecting the pullback towards the VWAP since we were that extended. So removed another 75% off and left the rest of position with the super break even, which essentially then was taken out from this candle. Can complain on this trade. Apple, Apple, I was another good trade. Looking to this consolidation, decided to short the 161.5 area, risking the 162 after this pullback. So kind of giving also a bit of more room for this trade to work. Um, Took my first partial at 161, and then at that point again, since I thought that we were extended, I moved my stop loss at break even, which again seemed not have been a good call. Um, a good call. I could have shorted Apple again at 161, risking the 161.5 area. But again, at that point, if I was telling myself that we were extended towards the downside, I didn't really see the point to short again Apple at that time. LYFT, and I think that was one uh, another good trade essentially. LYFT did add this pullback after we basically in the morning we the stock was the spine was coming down, and the lift was essentially going up. So waited the pullback towards the previous day close. We went down the previous day close. Then I longed the I longed the break of the previous day close. Probably the only error I have done here is um, we kind of break the previous day close, but then we pull back down for a lower low before going higher. So uh, I could have waited for this pullback and then entered the trade here. Although my stop was at 21.34, so really long the stock at this point at 21.56 got 21.59. Really um, took this all that to on this pullback with the stop at 21. 34, and then took my first partial here, looking for a second partial around here 21.99 22 area, which unfortunately didn't happen. When I saw that we were again going down, making essentially again lower high, I decided to move the stop loss here at 2160, and essentially I guess no I guess essentially it was a good goal, because I would have took a loss to the rest of shares. So the other that was the day for today. I got a Twitter trade, which I will assess tomorrow again. But the idea on this Twitter trade, and I'm swinging Twitter, and bear with me because Twitter. I mean, this is my real. First swing trade. So the idea on this one will be for me to hold either for if it breaks the 52.30 area with essentially the 54.2 area as another possible stop for me. Um, Really, I'm in with 10 shares, so risking $50 on this swing, $50 on this swing, and with essentially the risking 1 unit with the possibility to have 1.5 2 unit if Twitter is gonna crash. But strange enough, as you can see today, the SPY is continuously dropping, and if we lose the previous day low, we will probably continue to crash today. If seems like that we have found a bit of support here, but we see how it goes the rest of the day. But Twitter really, it opened up, and it's been in this consolidation phase. So if we are going then to lose this consolidation phase, and we are then going to close this gap, and and going back towards the 14.5, then we have the opportunity to go down before we need to break the 44 45 area. So I will take a look tomorrow on this Twitter trade. I will let things work for today. But if we are going to open around the 52 area tomorrow, I'll probably just close this trade, because at that point doesn't make any more sense. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the this today. Enjoyed the this recap. Appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you to the next video.